example, aluminium plus copper chloride gives aluminium chloride and copper. First you draw a table and write down the elements present in the given equation and how many number of atoms present in right hand side and left hand side you have to report down here. Aluminum left hand side 1, only 1. Right hand side also 1, write down 1 here. Next copper left hand side 1, right hand side also 1. What about chlorine left hand side? 2 number of atoms here, the 3 number of atoms. Aluminum balanced, copper balanced, but chlorine is not balanced. We want to balance the chlorine atom. Here 2 chlorine atom, the 3 chlorine atom. What you will do? So if we multiply this chlorine atom with 3, we will get 6. We multiply with 2, we will get 6. Now it will be balanced. So here we want to multiply with 3 means write down 3 as exponent here. Write 3 as exponent here. We multiplied here with 2. Write 2 as exponent here. Now you check 3 into 2, 6 chlorine atom. 2 into 3, 6 chlorine atom. Check the copper here. Copper here, left hand side, how many copper? 3. Because this 3 is common for all the elements here. So 3 copper. Change here. 3 copper. And what you will do for right hand side? Multiply that copper with 3. Okay. Then put 3 as exponent. Now it balanced. Look at that aluminium. Here 1 atom of aluminium, here 2 atoms. So what you will do? Multiply left hand side with 2 and write that 2 as exponent here. This 2 as exponent here. Now the equation balanced. Go to the next equation. One more example. Potassium bromide. Potassium bromide plus sodium chloride. Potassium bromide plus sodium chloride gives sodium bromide plus potassium chloride. Potassium chloride plus potassium bromide plus sodium chloride gives sodium bromide plus potassium chloride. Now check the equation is balanced or not. How many number of potassium here? 1. How many number of potassium here? 1. How many number of bromide here? 1. The 1. Sodium here also 1, there also 1. Chlorine here also 1, there also 1. This equation is already balanced. Okay. No need to change any number of atoms here. Okay. Let it be like this. Okay. Go to the next example. Lead nitrate. Lead nitrate plus potassium iodide. Lead nitrate plus potassium iodide gives lead iodide and potassium nitrate. How many number of lead atoms in the left hand side? 1. Right hand side? 1. So write down lead 1 in the left hand side, 1 in the right hand side. Nitrogen, this 2 is common for nitrogen and oxygen. 2 in the left hand side and 1 in the right hand side. Oxygen 2 into 3 6. 6 in the left hand side and 3 in the right hand side. Here in the reactant side potassium only 1. In product side potassium 1. Reactant side iodine 1. Product side iodine 2. Which element have more number of electrons? Oxygen. More number of atoms is oxygen. Oxygen have 6. So begin the balancing equation for oxygen. Oxygen, we need 6 number of oxygen. What we want to do? Here I have 3 number of oxygen atoms here. So multiply this 3 with 2. You will get 6. And put that 2 as exponent there. Where in the product side. Where is the oxygen here? So you have to put that 2 as exponent here. Then next, oxygen balanced. Look at the nitrogen. This 2 is common for potassium and nitrogen. So automatically nitrogen here becomes 2 nitrogen, here 2. Balanced. Nitrogen balanced. So 2 nitrogen here, 2 nitrogen. Look at the potassium. Here 2 potassium, here only 1. Now the potassium here is 2. There 1. What we want to do? Multiply this 1 with 2. We get 2 number of potassium and put that 2 as exponent here. This 2 as a exponent here. If potassium balanced, look at the iodine. Iodine, number of iodine atoms is 2 here. Here we want to change it into 2. Then what about iodine atoms here? 2. Balanced. Lead, already it is balanced. Now the equation is completely balanced. Okay, how many number of atoms present in the reactant side is equal to the number of atoms present in the product side. It's automatically balanced.